Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the learning outcome textbook activity of Kalika Chetarike Class 8 Science lesson number 9 Sound. So the learning outcomes will be number 1, knowing the meaning of sound production, classify sound generating tools. Number 2, explain the activity that the media is necessary for the transmission of sound. Number 3, describe the intensity or frequency of the sound with their source, knowing the meaning of vibration, frequency and time period. So learning outcomes 1, learning worksheet 1, activity number 1. Various musical instruments types are given. List the producing parts. Number 1, the musical instrument is given. In this musical instrument, the part in which sound produces is stretched membrane. Number 2, violin is given. In this musical instrument, the part in which sound produced is string. Here in number 3, the part in which sound produced is air column. In number 4, the part in which sound produced is metal plates. Next, learning outcomes number 2, learning sheet 2, activity 1. Write the points by observing images given below. To complete this activity, take support of textbook or teacher. Here pictures are given. You have to write what do you observe from this. Picture number 1. By seeing the first picture, observed factor will be can hear the ringing sound louder. Number 2. By seeing the number 2 picture, the observed factor will be sound become if we suck air in the tumbler. If we create volume in the tumbler, sound needs a medium to travel. From the picture number 3, we can observe that can hear the sound can travel through any soil. Next, learning outcome number 3, learning sheet 3, activity 1. Look at the picture and repeat the activity by measuring different lengths. Write down your observation. First one, when do you hear the loud noise? Why? Refer the teachers for more information. Note is given. So tell me, when do you hear the louder voices and why do you hear that? You hear the louder voice when the ruler is nearer to the table. Next, try to answer these questions based on the above activity. The number of oscillations caused by a vibrating object in a second is called time. False. It is frequency. If the amplitude of the vibration increases, the noise will decreases. True or false? It is false. The noise will increases. Next, if the vibration sound is low, then pitch is high. True or false? It is false. If vibrating sound is high, then the pitch is also will be high. Next, here some of the questions are there. You need to answer. How sound is produced? Sound is produced by vibrating objects. Number 2, explain the need of media to broadcast sound, including practical activity example. Answer, the sound cannot travel through vacuum. If you had been able to suck all the air in the tumbler, the sound stops completely. It is said there is a vacuum in the vessel. Next question, write the deciding factor of pitch. Answer, frequency. What is the relation between pitch and frequency? Answer, as pitch increases when the frequency is increased and decreases with the decrease in frequency. Next question, a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find out its time period and frequency. F is equal to 40 by 4, which is equal to 10 Hertz. I is equal to question mark. T is equal to 1 by F, T is equal to 1 by 10, so which is equal to 0.1 second. Next question, find the time duration if the wavelength of the sound is 20 Hertz given. F is equal to 20, I is equal to question mark. I is equal to 1 by F, I is equal to 1 by 20, so I will be 0.05 seconds. Next question, what are the problems caused by sound pollution? Answer, it can cause frequency and or permanent deafening, high blood pressure, mental illness due to lack of sleep. Next, mention the controlling methods of sound pollution. Follow the limits of noise level, plant more trees, industries should be set up away from resident area, use of automobiles should be minimized. So this is all about all the activities of lesson number 9 sound. If you want the activities of other lessons, check the playlist of my channel, you can get from there. Thank you.